Ready to take control of your investments? This is your ultimate guide to placing stock trades on Cibc Investor's Edge. First, log into your Cibc Investor's Edge account. You'll find the login portal on the Cibc website. Once you're in, navigate to the trade or market section of the platform. This is your gateway to all trading functions. Before you trade, it's crucial to do your research. Use the search bar to find the specific stock you're interested in. You can search by company name or its ticker symbol. On the stock's quote page, you'll see vital information like the current price, trading volume, and historical performance charts. Take a moment to review this data to inform your decision. Now, let's place a trade. Click on the buy or sell button associated with your chosen stock. This action will open the order entry window. Here, you'll need to specify the details of your trade. Enter the quantity of shares you wish to buy or sell. Next, select your order type. Common options include market orders, which execute at the best available price, and limit orders, where you set a specific price. A market order is good for immediate execution, while a limit order gives you control over the price you're willing to pay or receive. If you choose a limit order, input your desired limit price. This is the maximum you're willing to pay for a buy order, or the minimum you're willing to accept for a sell order. Review all the order details carefully: the stock symbol, the quantity, the order type, and the price. Once you're confident, click the Place Order button. You'll then see an order confirmation. This is your last chance to review before the trade is submitted to the market. Confirm your order to finalize the transaction. Congratulations, you've just placed a stock trade. You can monitor your new position and other holdings in your portfolio overview.